Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wired Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to program LED turn on and LED turn off with STM32F4 Nucleo board without using any library. Only we will use resistor manipulation. So let us get started step by step. We are going to program LED on and LED off of this Nucleo board. So go to user manual of Nucleo board. This is user manual of Nucleo board and go to schematic diagram. Okay, this is schematic diagram. You can see this LED2 is connected on PA5 number pin. So we have to turn off and turn on this LED. So this LED is connected on PA5 number pin. So we have to program for PA5 number pin. I will close this and go to here. Now create new project. Okay, I will create here project LED on and off. Okay, select here microcontroller. So STM32F411RE, select this and okay. We have to select environment, go to SimSys and select this, go to device and select startup and okay. Wow, here rename this STM32F4 and rename this yes source. Okay, and add here .c file, it is main file. Okay, now we will start programming. So first of all, we have to enable clock for port A. So enable the clock for port A, and second we have to make output to the port A. Okay, and third step will be turn on and turn off the bit. Okay, so I will include library, include STM32F4XX.h. okay, now int main void okay. I will create infinite loop, this while loop, okay. So now we will go to user manual of this controller. Sorry, we will go to datasheet and go to block diagram. Where is block diagram? Okay, This is block diagram. You can see GPIO port A is connected on AHB1 bus. So we have to enable AHB1 bus clock. Okay, I will close this and go to reference manual. And go to RCC reset clock control and RCC registers. Here you can see AHB1 ENR register. Okay, so you can see first bit for GPIO A, if it will be 1, so GPIO A clock will be enabled. If it will be 0, so GPIO A clock will be disabled. So this bit will be 1, remaining bit will be 0. You can see here it is written. If bit 0 will be 0, so port A clock disabled. If bit 0 will be 1, so port A clock will be disabled. So port A clock will be enabled. Okay, so this bit will be 1, remaining bit will be 0. So I will copy this and here arrow, assign 0x 0x 00 00 0 0 0 and 1. Okay, it will be in binary form like 0b 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 1. Okay, first bit will be 1 and remaining bit will be 0. So we will not type like this. And here it will use OR bitwise operator, because if we want to enable another port clock, so we can easily enable, otherwise it will not enable. So this is enable friendly programming. Okay, now we have to make as a output. What happened here? It will be arrow. Okay, so to make output, now we have to go to mode register, go to general purpose IO, and here GPIO registers, and here mode registers. So LED is connected on PA5, so we have to manipulate these 2 bits. We can see here for general purpose output mode it will be 0 1. So 11th number bit will be 0 and 10th number bit will be 1. Okay, so it will be like 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 4 0 0. Okay, so we will copy this and paste here, and here it will be GPIO A arrow or assign 0x 0 0 0 0 0 4 0 0. Okay, make as output third step is we have to turn on and turn off PA5 number bit. So we will go to ODR register. This is ODR register. LED is connected on 5th number bit, so it will be 1, remaining bit will be 0. Okay, so copy this, paste here, GPIO A or operator assign by 0x00000020. Okay, now code is ready. Now we will change some settings. So go to here, option for target, and target clock frequency is 16 MHz, and we will use ARM compiler version 5, and output is okay, it is okay. Go to debug, and here change ST-Link debugger settings, and here set, reset and run, and okay. Now we will build the program. You can see no errors and no warning. Now load. Wow, LED has been turned on. So now we will turn off this LED. Just copy and paste, use here and bitwise operator and negate this. Okay, now build the program and load. Wow, you can see LED has been turned off. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account has given in description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.